Hi and welcome back to my home-based pottery studio. Today is Monday and we're gonna be sculpting the surface of the cups that I've done last week, and I finished sculpting today, a few minutes before I started recording this video. And we're gonna be just scratching and trying to recreate the surface of a tree. It's the first time I'm trying it, so hopefully it's gonna be successful. I've been always thinking and taking inspiration from the forest and the textures that you can find on trees or mushrooms or leaves or animals. And I have one of the artists I follow that is called Mountain, and she's working on this woody texture, and I thought it would be the perfect moment to have fun and try to recreate it with my pottery. So let's go ahead, let's stop talking and let's start scratching.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom.
So I finished the cups, the ones I wanted to shape as a tree trunk. I don't know how to say it, but basically I've finished those 4 cups that I wanted to test this new design on. I'm quite happy. I don't know how it's going to be welcome, but it's gonna be nicer once it gets glazed and you can see the different pigment within the marks of the cup. Here you have the cup, 2 with the mushrooms on the side and 2 that are gonna be tossed with this texture, and I hope you can recognize that as a tree trunk. So we are gonna continue. I'm gonna be moving on because it seems like it's really hard for me to describe this texture. I'm gonna start sculpting all the faces of the elf mugs.
Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it?
Good morning, it's Tuesday and we're gonna continue. Yesterday I've done 3 faces and I finished all the 3 Bomo cup. We are gonna just continue with the other, I think I still have 8 bases to sculpt the faces on, and also I'm gonna be starting to shape up the ears, what is gonna become the handles, because I need to open up a new clay of bag. I need to open up another bag of clay and it's gonna be really wet, humid, so I'm gonna let it dry out a tiny bit because otherwise it won't hold the shape of the ear for the elves and it's gonna make it harder. So I think I'm gonna do this, the first thing, and then we're gonna continue adding faces. I'm just feeling so weird this month. October was a bit chaotic. It was really nice because I was performing 2 weeks with the company outside of Barcelona and another 2 weeks here in the studio. But I just think it was a lot of changes. Also, when I was touring, I wasn't touring on the same city. I was touring in Madrid, Galicia, Portugal. So was different places, different energy, and yeah, I don't know, I feel a bit down somehow, or nervous, or exhausted. Maybe it's just tired, but I don't know, when you have the feeling that something is off. But it's okay, I mean, I'm trusting, I'm completely fine, but I'm just feeling not my best somehow. Oh well. It's also nice to allow ourselves to be feeling however we can feel and we feel. So with that, I'm gonna be working, but I just wanna rest and I wanna slow down, and this is not something that I can do right now because I wanna have my shop update the 29th of November of the new collection, and then I need to get ready for the market that is happening the 13th, 14th and 15th of December in Barcelona. I hope to see you all. Come to see me. It would be so lovely. I would love to. I know for some of you it's impossible, but for the ones that it's possible, come say hi. So I'm gonna continue working and I hope you're doing great. So it's Friday, I'm back. Yesterday I wanted to record more of the process of making the elf mugs, but I think I didn't. Today I have to finish all the elf mugs, load beast firing. I have to finish everything before 5, because at 5 something I'm gonna be leaving, because I'm gonna spend the weekend with friends in the forest. We have rent a house. I'm looking forward to it. But first, I wanna get all the elf mugs finished and ready for the trying out process. So, I had my lunch break and now I still have 2 hours left before leaving. So I'm gonna stop sculpting. So I'm gonna... My brain is not working. And now I'm gonna stop sculpting. I'm just missing one last elf mug. Without counting the details I want to add, the mushrooms, and maybe also having 1 or 2 with this tree-like texture, because I need to prepare the firing. So we are gonna be loading the small pieces I have created 2 weeks ago, that they are already dry. I almost start loading also the cups, the mushroom cups and the tree cups, but they are not 100% dry. They are about 95%, but I don't want to risk them, so they're gonna be fired next week. So before leaving, I'm gonna clean up the table. I'm gonna start loading the little pieces, and then if I have time, that I hope I do, I'm gonna finish the last elf mug that I need to do. I also, with my delusion, wanted to record a YouTube video and edit it and post it for today, Friday. I'm crazy. It's funny to realize all the little tasks. Well, little, not little at all, but all the tasks I was setting up to do today. I wanted to sculpt 5 elf mugs, plus loading the kiln, plus recording and editing a YouTube video and posting it. Am I the only one that is having those delusions and just thinking that it's gonna be possible in 24 hours, not even 24 hours, in 5 hours to get all this work done? Am I the only one? Please, if you're also like me, comment down below how you handle this situation, because I swear to you that I honestly think that it's possible. And I thought so. When I was coming to the studio this morning, I was I'm gonna make it happen. And of course I didn't. But it's just funny.
Every time I think of summertime, girl, I think of you. I think your caramel skin, your curly hair, and 3 bird